Firing stroke.
Rocker shaft up. The assembly's done.
It's actually...
Have you turned the injector pump already and lined it up with the mark?
Yeah, but as far as I can get it.
There we go, that looks pretty good.
That had moved.
No, that's sort of... Oh, okay, so it's just come back a little bit, hey?
Yeah, it's hard to get it right.
Right, yeah, I see that. That's as good as it goes. That's as good as it gets, I think. Yeah.
And so we'll
have to just make sure with the belt. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so
we'll have to sneak it.
All the marks are there now. That mark there. Mark there. We've got the balance belts done and the tensioner's been released so that the tensioner will work. Okay, so they're all aligned now, those marks, the balance belt marks. So now it's timing belt. The timing belt, let the games begin without moving anything. So, pause this video. Okay, this is really a two-man job. One person to hold the injector pump, which is what I'm doing, and the other person to feed the belt around, keeping it tight so that nothing slips. There's a bit of a trick to this. A bit tricky for me to film this.
No, I've already lost it too.
Right, alright.
You stay there.
I'm staying right there.
Oh.
Still got it. Still got the mark so that nothing, you don't want anything to move, none of these pulleys to move. They can easily move out one tooth. So the art here is to do this without anything moving. Just slide the belt over the sprockets. Make sure they're in the grooves.
Lost it.
Do you want me to come back a little bit, or are you right?
No. Should be right.
Okay, you prep the tensioner pulley there. I'll try and get as much of that belt over that. And then he's going to try and come back over and basically slide that over the camshaft sprocket by working it on, and this is looking good. He's got just the right amount of free slack on that tensioner pulley. Well, then this will just work it on. This goes on relatively easily. It's from plenty of practice. I'm redoing this until the marks are all good. Is that belt all the way in on the tensioner? Once it goes in all the way,
yeah,
it gives you more slack. But you've got to have all those teeth of the belt on the... Do you want the hammer to tap it gently?
No, I don't think so. Yeah, got it.
He's got it. Right, can I let go?
Yeah, now see one.
Right, let's check the alignment of the marks. And check the injector pump. Good, still looks good. Good. Checking the camshaft sprocket. I'll just come side on so you can see that a bit easier. Yep. Notice the good marking then. We'll come down here to the...
There are tooth out on the...
No. Down there, that balance shaft looks alright. That looks alright down there.
Crankshaft pulley.
So the crankshaft pulley, where are we with that? Let's have a look. Oh my god, we're one out He's right.
So we'll give it a turn and see what happens with the turn.
What do you mean? That's definitely out.
Now,
Right, it actually might be alright. I've just... We're a bit concerned
or
about...
two teeth out. One
We're
on.
a bit concerned, slightly concerned about that, but... What we're doing is we're going to turn the engine a little bit with the...
Which I've done and took out a bit of slack.
You've already